Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Today I am testing the new Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation. The last time I tried a Huda Beauty foundation, I wasn't that impressed. I'm going to be testing this foundation without primer and setting powder to see how it lasts throughout the day. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. Before applying foundation, good skin prep is key to having a good, flawless look. I've already washed my face, and now I'm going to apply toner. This one's the one from Lancome. It's called Tonic Comfort, and I love this one because it rehydrates the skin. It also helps your skin look smoother and preps it for foundation. Next, I'm going to apply the Lancome Genifique Serum. This serum helps your skin be smoother. It helps with fine lines, radiance, and glow. Next, I'm going to apply Lancome's Absolute Soft Cream. This cream is my favorite. It goes on super smooth and absorbs really quickly. Now that my skin is ready, it's time for foundation. This foundation is going on easily. It's super smooth, easy to build, and the coverage is a lot better than I expected. It seems to be covering all of my redness, and I think my skin actually does look blurred. Wow, and it took out that spot on my neck. To get a smoother look, try pressing a foundation brush into the skin or use a beauty blender. For my look today, I'm going to do a natural glam. I'm starting with Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk Blush. I'm going to put it really high on my cheekbones for lift and a little color. Next, I'm going to apply Too Faced The Natural Nudes eyeshadow. This is one of my favorite palettes. It looks great on everyone and you can do so much with it. For my natural glam look, I'm going to start with this color, Petal, and that's going to go all over my eyes. Next, for shape and definition, I'm going to use Warm Rose. This is going in my crease. I'm also going to wrap the same color under my eyes for framing. I'm going to forego eyeliner because I've got DIY lashes. If you would like information about DIY lashes, click on the link below. Next, I'm going to use this rose gold color on my lid. This will add brightness and a touch of glamour. On my bottom lashes, I'm going to use L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara. I love the brush on this mascara. It's straight and smooth and super easy for bottom lashes. To clean up shadow fallout, I'm going to use Lancome Serum Concealer under my eyes. I always do this step last. The reason for that is it cleans up all the lines and shadow fallout from mascara, eyeshadow, and gets rid of dark circles. Usually when doing concealer, do 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural skin tone. This will help to brighten too. And don't forget your brows. I'm going to brush on Anastasia's brow gel in Blonde. Next, I'm going to use Revlon's Color Stay Lip Liner in Plum. And to fill in my lips, I'm going to use L'Oreal's Color Riche lipstick in 127. And here's the final look, and I'll be back to show you how it looks at the end of the day. I'm back and it's the end of the day, and here is my take on this foundation. I can't believe I'm gonna say this, but I am impressed. It lives up to the hype. My skin still looks smooth. The foundation was blendable and easy to apply, and I feel like my skin almost has a blurred, filtered effect. So with that in mind, on the Kathleen Color scale, I'm gonna give this foundation a 5. It lasts all day, it's blendable, it gives a smooth and filtered effect, almost as if your skin is airbrushed. It's a great foundation and I highly recommend it. The skin type I recommend for this foundation is all skin types. It gives a natural finish, so if you're dry, it still feels amazing on the skin. If you're oily, it keeps you natural. If you'd like to see more foundation videos like this one, check out my channel. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.